Life science industry has a number of solution providers with point solutions, with some decentralized clinical trial platforms, some traditional CROs with unique expertise in very niche disease areas. What's unique about Jeeva is we are mission driven. I am a rare dad on a mission. Right? We are so focused on addressing the fundamental problems facing this industry, and that sets us apart. That sets everyone who joins our team is bought into the vision and mission, and they come with a sense of purpose. Two, the technology, innovation, validation, working in very close collaboration with our customers, whether it's biopharmaceutical sponsors, academic researchers, or patient advocacy groups. We have ensured that the software platform is capable of addressing and being flexible to enable them to be truly patient-centric, walk the talk of patient centricity and not just a lip service. And I think that is very evident based on what we have done. Our actions and our work have really validated and demonstrated beyond doubt now that we are the preferred unified software platform for executing early stage clinical trials, observational studies, patient registries, cohort studies, and we have many such case studies and examples that make us distinguished and desirable partner to not only reduce significant cost, but also accelerate timelines, which is so critical. Patients are waiting, especially with some very severe diseases like cancer and rare disease. We can't afford to have even 1 day delayed. That can also affect our customers in losing significant revenue for every day that a clinical trial gets delayed. So we come with that full understanding of how critical timeframes are, patient centricity is, and it's all about ensuring excellent outcomes for patients. That's what drives us, and that's what drives the whole industry.